How to fix Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Instagram story. First thing, go to the settings on your phone. Open the apps like this. Now search for Instagram, click on it, click on force stop to stop the app from working in the background of your phone. And then click on this power usage details. Make sure to enable the power consumption alert. Click down here on this force stop. Go back, click on the notifications management. Make sure to enable everything and then go into the Play Store, and if you are using iPhone you can go to the App Store, search for Instagram and click on this update option. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.